Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be going over one of my favorite photography tips that you guys should start using right now. Why was I so overly enthusiastic for no reason? Just talking about tips. For real, it's a good one. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I see you getting up. Before I really get into it, this video is brought to you guys by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or an online store, you can make your next move with Squarespace. I've been using Squarespace and I absolutely love it. I recommend it to all my friends. They have award-winning designer templates that are so easy to use and switch out. They have 24-hour customer service. If you ever have an issue with something, there's always someone there to help you. You can even start a free trial today. Just go to squarespace.com/Jessica and then use my offer code Jessica to get 10% off your first purchase. With that said, let's get back to the video. This is based on a true story, and that story is my story, and it's true because I was there and I lived it. So when I first started photography, I would get the model, do the hair, makeup, and I would just go outside and shoot. Do you hear anything wrong with that? Anyone? Crickets? Did you guys hear anything wrong with that? Nothing? Nothing? Why are you guys even in here? You better make your way towards that window right now. Yeah, I know I need a new screen, okay? Thanks for reminding me. So my tip today is to plan your shoots according to the time of day. This is really going to matter if it's sunny outside. So if it's a clear day, the sun is out, you want to plan your shoot around a specific time of day. Because if you go outside during any time of the day, like when it's high noon, you're gonna get some really harsh shadows. It's gonna be hard for the model to even open her eyes fully. It's gonna be really, really bright outside. So you want to plan your shoots based on the time of day. There's some really nice light you can get if you shoot about 30 to 40 minutes before the sun sets. So you get that nice, soft, glowy light. So I shot in direct sunlight 2 hours before the sunset and then 30 minutes before the sunset. So I'm gonna show you guys both of those photos so you guys can see the huge difference. The first photo, the shadows are really harsh, the light is really bright and harsh. The photo still came out good, but in the second photo you'll see that the light is so soft and so beautiful and the model just looks like she's glowing. 30 minutes before the sun sets is a great time to shoot. Again, you get that nice orange glow. You can even do nice backlit portraits and it's nice golden hour. So I would definitely recommend shooting during that time. So wherever you are in the world, go ahead and find out where the sun sets and then you can plan your shoot to be 30 or 40 minutes before that so that the model can be ready at that time and you can just go and shoot. If you are from a city and they have very large buildings, it might be blocking the sun as it's setting. So you want to find like the perfect area, even like a beach or something, or like a neighborhood where the sun is just like out and open. Before I really started to think about this, I used to just go out and shoot wherever, at whatever time. But now I like to plan my shoots really early in the morning or more towards the evening time. Shooting in the middle of the day can be really tough if you're not used to it. This will only work if it is a sunny day. So if you're anticipating like a cloudy day the next day, always check your weather and make sure what the weather is going to be like and kind of just plan from there. It doesn't matter where the model is positioned in relation to the sun. We even walked from that same area upwards and the sun was no longer really like showing through. So you can see that the light drastically changes and the photo I got in that particular spot also changed, even though it was the same time of day and the sun was still setting. It really depends on where you position the model and where the model is in relation to the sun. It's gonna make a world of difference for your photography, trust me. Anyways, I really hope that this tip will help you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.